the Montags doing here? You should be there because you don't belong here.
What do you mean by that?
Can't you understand that we are the most powerful here in Viruna?
Then, what's your problem?
Because I don't want to see your face in Viruna. I want you to vanish from my sight.
What do you want? Fight? I can give you that. No, my friend. You should control your anger. But they're insulting us. He hasn't shown respect to us. It makes me mad.
Why should I respect you? You are not worth to be respected.
Then, fight me if you're not afraid.
Give me my swords. I'm not afraid to any one of you.
Stop! Stop that! What you have done? Why is there so many blood? I killed Tybal, cousins Julian. Romeo, you have done something terrible mistake. Yes, I admit it. I just can't control my anger.
Know that you are being banished from Verona.
Yes, I know. That's because it is being published and spread out in a whole Verona.
Then, what's your plan now? Are you going to stay here?
No, I don't know. Can you give me some advices?
I can suggest that you should leave now as soon as possible.
Mother, the nurse told me that you're searching for me. Kat, is there something wrong?
Lord Capulet approached me and discussed about what Paris said to me. But am I involved in that? Yes, my daughter. Paris wanted to marry you.
But why me? There are lots of girls in the Verona.
Oh, why you look so nervous and worried? Is there any problem?
Because my parents wanted me to marry Paris, but I don't like him.
What can I do, my dear Julia?
Can you give me some idea on how to handle it?
Take this potion.
A potion? How can it help in my situation?
This potion can appear you dead.
Thank you. I hope it will work.
Lady Coconut, your daughter is dead!
What are you talking about?
Julian is dead!
No. It can't be happening.
Come and see it. She's lying.
My daughter. No, my daughter. It can't be. Why don't you leave me? Romeo, why did you leave me?
Gi. Ayo talikod lang. Ano lang?
But mother.
Naragot.
Isa lo balik. Isa lo balik ba?
Si Romeo nagkuan. Remote niya.
Isa lo dong. Isa lo ba?
Binabulyo niya si Juliet Masodsan. Wala pa kami pagduman. Romeo binabulyo.
Awas sa Radix.
Romeo. Hindi. Ganang usa-usa na kayo. Cheers.
Sige.
Stop! Cheers!
Action.